Okay guys, today is day 5 of 100 of fixing the little things that bother you. I made my bed before I filmed. Hi, good morning. What do you want to do today? Train my dog better? All right, so today is day 5. Day 3 was kind of hard. If I wasn't filming, I don't think I would have actually done it. But now that we're on day 5, I just woke up and made my bed. And then I folded my laundry. And now I'm petting my dog. Now, this is the thing that I didn't expect. I gotta move these papers. Hold on. No, you don't need to see my certificate of registration for U.S. Copyright and Patent Office. That's for a cool project we're gonna do next, but check this out. My desk is still clean. Obviously I need to clean the other side of the room, but this is like snowballing. I hadn't thought it would snowball. I thought I would just make my bed, but I make my bed and then that's clean. And then I go to the kitchen and I notice like, oh, these couple dishes need to go in, or flip this, or do the laundry. I'm able to keep up with this stuff better now instead of it getting to these like overwhelming, like almost sickening amounts of work to do. Anyway, it's pretty cool. And that's just 5 days in. Oh, also I'm making wine, so don't worry about my kitchen. One thing at a time.